What up? It's your boy TVQ. It's New Year. And I wasn't finna start no content this year because y'all ain't been watching my content. But anyways, that don't even matter. I wasn't even finna do no content today, but I'm still gonna do it because it's New Year's. So I got this car on jack stands. This thing all the way in the air. Yes, all the way in the air, off the ground. Do y'all want to see me get the car 90% done for y'all? Because I know that y'all want me to be finished with this car already. But I work too much. I actually got to go to work in a couple of hours. I was drafted. But anyways, 90% done. Today, right now. Is that something that y'all want to see? 90% done? Okay, cool. So, yesterday I went to Harbor Freight. I bought these cool little tools. I need these for today, especially this guy. I also bought a freaking socket that I need. It's a 27. Yeah, 27. And then I bought another ratchet for work that I had to replace because I do a lot of transmission work and I lost my 1/2-inch ratchet on the transmission. I think I left it on the crank and yeah, it's gone. So I just replaced it. So without further ado, this is the part that I'm installing today. I'm gonna install this part. It's gonna go into the block. I'm not gonna tighten it fully down today. The only reason why is because it's New Year's. And you can obviously guess by the way that I'm talking what I sound like.
Have I been drinking?
Before I get under the car, I gotta change my shirt. This, that Hall Tech shirt. I'm not getting my Hall Tech shirt dirty, so I'll be back in a second. I know I did this once before, but I'm finna do it again. Merry Christmas, New Year, yeah, Thanksgiving or whatever. What no hoe be saying? So fuck nigga be saying fresh out the pack. Oh, yo. Fresh out the pack. Fresh out the pack, motherfucker. In that bitch flat. Hey, you talking about, bitch? I'm not gonna cap. I'm gonna laugh at this video when I'm editing this video. Am I drunk? Bitch. Alright, I know I did this like 5 times already, but back to the work. Alright, y'all wanna see me 90% done? Right there. It's order persistent. It's a size 27. I'm gonna put this size 27 on that motherfucker. Hey, let's go. Ouch, that hurt. It might start leaking oil, but I ain't tripping. I'll clean that bit when I feel like it. I should be able to turn this whole by hand now. Let's go. Oh shit, what the fuck? Nigga. Oh, gotta clean that up. Fuck. But yeah, sister out. Okay, I fucked up. I lost the fucking fitting. I don't even know where the fuck I put that shit. And drinking is not helping me. And yet, I'm still fucking drinking. Happy New Year. Ooh, I ain't do that right. Happy New Year. My fucking hands stink, boy. Bro, I really misplaced that fitting. So now I gotta find this fitting. So this video starts back still on New Year's. It's gonna be the first. So see you later. So I found a fitting. This whole time I've been walking past this motherfucker. I don't walk past this motherfucker 5 times. Hold this dog. I'm finna show you where this shit is at, bro. What the fuck? Dog. You mean to tell me this shit was sitting right here the whole time? I'm walking around the car trying to find the fitting. And it's sitting on some tissue? What? All right, again, I'm finna do the same thing again. Without further ado, we finna install this part. All right, so, and just like that, if I can get it in, bruh, come on, dog. So niggas gonna love. Oh, that fitting is not gonna like that one spot. Crap. Yeah, I might have to install this tomorrow. When I can take the fitting off, I keep hitting the little piece right there. Yeah, it's a little notch right here. I don't like that, so I'm gonna have to take this part off and install it when I get back home. So I'll see y'all later. All right, so I'm fresh off work. I ain't got no shirt, that don't matter. But anywho, I brought home the tools that I needed to be 90% done with my car. Bro, it's cold. Give me a second. All right, so I'm back. Put on the shirt. It's quite chilly in this garage, but yeah, it's time to begin. So this fitting is what I'm installing. It's gonna run to the feed. That's on top of the turbo. I'm gonna take this black piece off, and I should be able to screw this in. And I'm gonna put some Teflon paste on it. One of these gotta fit. One of these. What? It ain't a 15, so it's a 16. Okay.
I'm not just what you need. I'm not just what you need. Tighten your ass up. Pause. Pause.
Bro, I don't know how tight this is supposed to be. So I'm gonna get it to where I feel snug, like now. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. I'll leave it like that. My real thing is how I'm gonna run this line all the way back there to where you see that light down there. That's what I gotta figure out. I gotta figure out if that line long enough. If not, I'm gonna be making a trip to Summit. But before I see if the line fits, I also gotta put this on that fitting that's at the bottom. I kinda ran a fitting, but I don't think it's tight enough. I don't wanna tighten it too tight because I do not wanna crack the block. It does got the paste on it. So we just gonna send it for right now. And if it leaks in the future, I'll just fix it. So now I gotta get my big ass back under this car. Oh. Bruh, I got under the car without the wrench. Now I gotta get back from under the car. Got my wrench, got the fitting. So let's try this again. So as you can see, it's successfully installed. Now I just gotta put the fitting back on it. It's kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. I might have to back it down a little bit. All right, so it's in there. We're gonna tighten it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. One more for good luck. Alright, that should be good. But I still need to turn it down a little bit to where the nipple comes through right here. And I can run a line straight to right there. Whew. I'm fat. So this is my line right here. for my feet. I somewhat got it ran kind of the way I want it to go. And oh, let me switch hands. Everything is harder with one hand. Pause. Yeah, that's not supposed to touch that, so maybe like this. I don't know. Don't know. We're just gonna try it. I'm not gonna cap. It's looking like we got enough line. Maybe. Okay, so after further examining, there's a 10 right here on this bracket. Right there. I'm gonna take that off. Then I'll have enough room to actually run the line. But I need to see from up top what it's touching, because it touches the exhaust right here. So I might have too much line. I should have put on gloves, but it's not. So I ran 2 lines down here to see which one would be a good fit. This one is close to the axle, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to reroute it, maybe. And the cross member sits right there, so who knows? I don't know yet. But we're gonna go back to the top and look. I'm probably done under the car for tonight, since I can't install the cross member or anything right now. So yeah, pretty much stuck for the time being. To my surprise, the smaller one is actually a better fit, and it fits perfectly. It's connected at the top and the bottom, surprisingly. So I guess I'll just keep this one as a spare. And that, ladies and gentlemen, makes me close to 90% done. Everything else, it's all simple. So the line is ran. You can see the braided line right there and where it connect that all the way to the top.